always had about your good people around you, your good people, your good friends. Hi, welcome back. I am fixing a hole that was drilled for a security system that I've had plugged, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that I'm going to do to fill the hole. So the first thing I have is this right here. I have this. I have a couple of screws. I've got putty, spackling, heavy duty spackling. I've got a putty knife, and I've got a sander to sand down the excess. So, and I've got a saw, well, like a hand saw to help cut and fill this in, because I've got drywall, like an extra piece of drywall. The first thing that I'm going to do is measure. I'm gonna measure the width, and I'm also gonna measure the height. So let me get a pencil and measure that. So I actually just end up getting a pen instead. I had an extra piece of drywall. I'm going to cut my measurements out from this drywall that I had. I'm just going to use these measurements to cut it out, the width of it from here to here. This was the width. And then this larger one was the height. So from here to here, that's my width. So I'm going to draw another straight line, and then I'm going to cut this box. Actually, from this top line right here, because this was my point right here. Yeah. So I've got a perfect square. Alright, so let's start the cutting. And actually put it in the wall, and it doesn't fit, which is fine, because I do have spackle right here to help fill it up, and I'm still okay with that, and I'll tell you why. I also got my drill. What I'm going to do is take this and put this behind the wall, and I'm going to brace this against here behind the wall, just to ensure that nobody can't push this through. My other screw. Stick that back there. I saw this on like a home channel. Ouch. is on there. See? Now I'm gonna do the same thing for the bottom piece. And to even do this, it took me a minute to get myself together. You know how it is whenever you're doing something that you really just like, I don't want to do. It's kind of like, let me go ahead and just do it the way I plan doing it. Alright, let's go with this one here. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one instead. It comes purple. I don't need to fill that in. I'm not worried about that. As long as this main piece is filled in, and I don't have to worry about nobody hitting it or whatever if they happen to. So I'm just going to go ahead and move forward with this right here. And then I'll just spackle that and sand it down as well. Alright, here we go. And I'm going to sand it down once it dries. So yeah, just going to wait till that dries. Then after this dries, so much better than what it did before. I tell you that, because I've had that there, that cloth there. I was like, it'll be alright. But you know how it is when it's like something you want to do. It's like, go ahead and do it. Go ahead and get it out the way. I was like, today is the day that I'm getting this out my way. Here's a quick update. It is drying right now, and you can see the outer areas are drying white and it's still pink in the middle, which means it's still wet. But overall, it's doing pretty good. This is an update on what it looks like so far. I'm just going to add more caulk in it. Here's the end result. I painted the wall also. You can still see where the hole was, but at least now it's plugged. When with a fresh coat of paint, it looks great.
Oh, come on. 45 seconds.
Okay, y'all, so this is everything that I got. I got the almond butter, almond shea butter. I got a gift basket and big intoxicated boxy butter.
Body butter.
Yeah, I'll let you say whatever, because I'm
Okay.
yeah.
And then you also have our oatmeal honey organic soap.
Okay.
This is really good for eczema or sensitive skin.
Thank you so much for my purchase today. And this is what's your name?
I'm Thomasina with Spar and Party.
Okay.
We believe in having a spa day every day with Spar and Party. So everything is handmade, and I make spa products.
The handmade, she said they make spa products as well.
Yes, I make body butters. We have cherry almond, peppermint, poise, and fireside pumpkin. It's the holidays, so we make candles too. We have candles just for Christmas. We have a staycation. We have all handmade soaps. Everything's handmade. These are 100% organic. This one is turmeric. We have marble, which is a peppermint. And last but not least, we have our spa box, which comes with sugar scrub, a candle, 4 bars of soap, bath salt, a body butter or a lotion, a loofah, and a soap dish. Okay. And you can custom make your boxes. We have an online store, which is virtual, so you get to walk around the store just as if you were in the store.
Welcome to Spa and Party. Step into our luxury virtual store for relaxation and rejuvenation, all from the comfort of your own
Look
home.
around. Is there somewhere you want to go?
If you want to go to the products, tap on it. Like I say, you want to tap on the soap.
Okay. How do I go back? Go back home.
And anything over $50 is shipped for free. And we're also at the Carolina Place Mall in the Southern Lion. So I have a booth there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can come in and shop anytime you want.
Okay, great. All right. Well, everything smells amazing. You know, I done got a whole bunch of stuff, and yeah. Well, I'm definitely gonna be seeing you. And what did you say your name is again?
I'm Thomasina.
Thomasina. Thank you
And
so
this
much.
is Sheila.
And this is Sheila and friend. You always have your good people around you. Your good people. Your good friends.
We love it here.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ladies.
you. Thank
All
you for
right.
your support.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.